Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy STBL token on Binance Alpha. So STBL, just get this on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it before it lists on Binance Spot, I will show you how. It's very easy, so make sure you watch this video until the end. First, you can open your Binance apps, and then after you open Binance app, make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search STBL. Then you can search it, and then you will find STBL on Alpha. You can click it, and this is the charts. So from the chart perspective, it's really good, and you can check the details by click info in the top here. You will find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. The volume is really good, and also you can check their social media and their website, and also you can check their audit and also the square. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click right here in bottom, and then you can choose instant. You can swap your token, BNB or other token, to STBL, and can also choose limit order. You can put the price here, it's up to you, and then you can put the amount here like this, it's up to you. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.